engine management P03000, engine misfire detected current, and another faulty code for the this is T40 spark plugs. I'm going to compare new one and old one, identically same. Right, it's in. After that you need to press this orange tab. Right, it's locked. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I'm work around 2011 1.6 Vauxhall Astra. Basically customers say while driving, traction control on, no other any light. I'll plug in my scan and see under engine management P03000, engine misfire detected current, and another faulty code for the U code, lost communication with engine control module, invalid data, and also keyless entry, driver door only unlock. That's right, I'm only open that door, and all doors unlock, current short ground. However, it's all related to the doors, it's not a problem. He said traction control on, but however I'm going to start the car now. I can't see any warning light at the dashboard. However, as a first step, if you have a like this problem, I'm recommended to do the coil pack and all spark plugs. I'm going to show you how to do it, and after that reset from computer, and I'm going to take to the road test and have a look how is thing going on. Let's go to the engine bay and start to remove coil pack and all plugs. I'll show you how to do it. What we need to do, lift up this one. There is a two clip here, there, and you can lift up. After that you need to lift up this cover and pull. Then you need to remove these two screws, remove this connector. Then after that lift up the coil pack, change the plugs. If you have a like this tool, it's a bit handy. This is T40. Someone over tight. Visually I can't see any damage there. You need a 16 mil long socket for the plugs. This plug little bit cover with the oil, you can see. Could be this is the problem because the rocker cover gasket damage and little bit oil going to the plugs. Could be this way making misfire. This plug also the same, bit oil. This plug nice and dry. However, I'm going to change plugs and coil pack because customer requests do the plugs and coil packs. This is basically rather than me customer decision. Then I'm going to do, and I'm going to explain situation customer, and I'm going to hand over the car because I can't do much. Customer already look at online, decide what he had to do, make a decision, and came to me. This is spark plugs. I'm going to compare new one and old one, identically same. Going to compare new one and old coil pack. Pin exactly correct 7 pins. I'm going to install new one. Need to connect this electrical connector. Right, it's in. After that you need to press this orange tab. Right, it's locked. And install this flap. All done. I already changed plugs and coil pack. Ignition on, and I'm going to reset light from computer. Delete the codes. I'm going to under engine management and check any faulty code left there. At the moment, no present code. I'm going to switch off the car, start the car, switch off, do 5-6 times like that. I done 5-6 times switch off and switch on the car, and I'm going to check with the computer again. Any fault code come back. Still no any faulty code. What I have to do, I'm going to hand over the car like that and ask to use it. If I get anything from customer, I'll update another video. If it not, if you have this faulty code, as a first step you need to do these steps. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get a lot of useful video and tips. See you with the next video. Thank you.